Roro or say na or a coordinator or say on once na or performing on stage me pacho Roro some management team ni so amumpe bi count ai say ye ko party normal party po a card no so no ye tro bibi RSVP o say de be o yira no afre o frɛ ba ko si obi so even normal party yes because o ka two things o say wo kran ka ba beji call we no na o gina say so ana o bo so organ say piano say de it will cry me answer. As a coordinator, you are not supposed to be on stage. A human still I come kakra. Only coordinator, we proper coordinator. What is the purpose of a coordinator? First of all, you make sure say all the artists are present. It's your duty as a coordinator to be doing what we call calls. What for artists no member no, what baby so mefi and not even proper show no. Sometimes you make car echo for artists. Hello, hi, Xposed GH. Pacho baby, I will be in Jack as here now. Pacho subscribe it. Na ye the idea to pay when you be Pacho from Bruce. Mediano. Obo a major so. Lady Prempeh video be yeah, Lady Prempeh back can send me about the concert na say okwa perform wo Esther Smith I don't know. The management member Roro unim na obo beat to a sound engineer. I was also a member of the team and also the interim by. Material interim no. Now, person also go here because still I have questions to ask Roro. Into go to video no buy ya beto aso.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Baby, I will share me free beer. Your friend me Roro Buddy, and our buddy Roro, music producer, sound engineer, a brother, and then also a management member for Esther Smith, the team no. I'm say video be circulating about Lady Prempeh. I will say a snowbone or Esther concert na say. Initially, no, we didn't want to like talk about this thing, but there's a video no circulate. A lot of people are calling Pennyful Break. And you know, I decided say I would just share our part nanko for what really happened. Yeah, and video I mean, this is what Lady Prempeh wanted to happen. Yeah, the trends. She knows when your response from us. You know, she's been long for a while now, and she has some projects coming out into, you know, maybe this is what, because we had a meeting with her. Yeah, we spoke on phone with her and the manager, Dave Joy. So Lady Prempeh came for dress rehearsal on the day of the concert. You know. Now this is what happened. Men Kasabi bring question. We had a time slot for every artist because now artists never show no so dozen. Inti Kumasi show ni yampontem and Kofobi be complaining about the time. So we decided say akrade ye better try ni appontem. Inti me personally me sendi will be a time slot emano. And Lady Prempeh was to perform around I think say from 6:37. No that slot no yeah 3 categories of artists. And I don't know if for some funny reason any maybe the ecosystem I think say or sheda ye late but or buy and or be catch say Okada be an ed in near my brain Okada no ye late na driver ni che so being trying to short Lady Prempeh was about 3 hours late for the time I was performing and then we couldn't wait so we just skipped. Into Oba, you know, she was so happy dancing and doing everything at the concert. Our videos of her will be I'm security will be and how she was happy. You know, and she wasn't the only person I want performing. Kwekutei was also on the bill and Kwekutei too was late. To Oba Ekran he apologized. And Opa also a very sorry sir went to Miamba on time. And then he sat down, enjoyed the concert. And that is the exact thing I expected from Lady Prempeh. But they know what they are up to and what they are doing. Because we had a chat with Lady Prempeh and then a manager, Dave Joy. And the funny thing is, Omokachi say I apologize. And I told her, say, no, you mistake. We will not apologize. She rather than also apologize to us. And Dave Joy was bold enough to tell me, say, yen try see a solve issue no on radio. Listen to it on radio. So enyame one say Lady Prempeh video now or target bloggers about 17 or 15 bloggers just to get it blown. So this is what happened. There is never a big deal. Obiani Lady Prempeh any problem. Yeah, the only thing is Lady Prempeh was 3 hours late. And meeting, she was like, I was enka, your friend, but on that day, I was on stage playing with the band and coordinating at the same time. GMA, Global Media Alliance 4 were doing their part. Artists be anywhere your friend on that day. Until on social yank obey late, and she was supposed to call so that they be as a shifting your which wasn't even possible because artists did those. And she came when Esther Smith was going on stage or on stage. That was the last performance. That's why she couldn't perform. Enye Bibia deliberate from the management and answer from Esther Smith. You know, we've had a beautiful concert. Everybody is talking about it. The news is the biggest news now. So I understand the game. I understand how some people will try. So also they near maybe for him to have that attention. Lady Prempeh has been out for some time now, but this approach wasn't the best. Esther Smith was out for about 12 to 10 years to 12 years. But there was nothing negative about the publicity. We just did what we supposed to do. And then man in Sasoma concert near Kama. So this kind of approach, I think, say lady the management or yeah, I didn't want to talk about it, but said they make campaigning for baby. This is exactly what she wanted. Me, this is what she want because they told us on phone. You have a conference call. Time our video not to out that and the manager Dave Joy catcher me said we should go and discuss it on radio so that they can have the buzz. But Esther Smith brand, this kind of near man and bata yeah, we are Christopher. So I think this is what happened. Yeah, basically this is what happened. Nothing more, nothing less. As Lady Prempeh was 3 hours late. That's all. Until one performer. That's all.
Yeah, I could see about. I mean, one explanation which is normal from any management team. This is what I was expecting. Say, and Esther Smith and Kobeka ya can be disappointed because Esther Smith and yes, or no kasa. It shows Sabi kasa and Grafoti because the purpose of management team no it says SMC awo na say ubeye what we call face saving. But more few stuff. Roro or say na or a coordinator. Or say on once na or performing on stage. Me pacho. Roro. Some management team ni so amompe bi nkan. Ai. Say ye ko party normal party po a. Card no so no ye twa bibi RSVP o say de be o yira no afre. O frɛ ba ko si obi so. Even normal party. Yes, because show na wo yenti say even at the show obi wo wa okura phones or accept all calls and make catch artists and say in case of any problem call this line. Yes, because okay, two things. O say wo kran ka ba beji call we no na wo gina say so na o bo organ se piano se de enti wo kran na untimi answer. As a coordinator, you are not supposed to be on stage. A human still akam kakra. Who coordinator? Who proper coordinator? What is the purpose of a coordinator? First of all, you make sure say all the artists are present. It's your duty as a coordinator to be doing what we call calls. Offer artists no member no, wo baby or so mefi. And not even proper show no. Sometimes you make car for artists. Aye. Because you mpese bibia be touch ma. Proper shows. Rehearse no. Number 2. All kinds of one can baby say sabi Prempeh eba rehearsal. One can no. Which means that there was no rehearsal. Because Lady Prempeh statement you ye pana. Rehearsal now went to me no. That was a major problem. And you Roro, oh you instrumentalist, so you know. Say a duty of every artist or be performing under a concert to do what we call proper rehearsals. Now when you have the rudiments of the show, very important, ultimate sound check and all that. The part of artists are in a sound check. Because say sometimes ye who foreign artist ni kwa ebi ba onu akwa ni sound engineer okwa ni eti oba despite say ya sound check no onu sound engineer na sound to be sound check emo who say sound no to what they want because obi sound ya narrow obi sound ya broad depending on the sound engineer what he wants to what achieve nti also akaka now Roro Kasam no Osanka Bibi I say Lady Prempeh has been out of the scene for a long time. It's who say hype. Roro, Pacho, we're just below the belt. Are you saying, say, Lady Prempeh with all the name that way, or here a hype like this to boost the musical career? What are you talking about? Esther Smith too has been out of the scene for a long time. Eti, are you not mentioning to me? Did you see? Sanya Moye was also to promote what the name again? Yeah, yes, sir. Asam number both sides one ye. Dave Joy, unimna or yeah, Twice Blessing Ekuno. Me na me cry the ministers on us or manage, you know, ways ye. But management no munko suyan ye. Yeah, Papa Dave Joy. Questions ben na ubi say answer na artist no echo. Number 2, or say na Okada at the eye. Massa. Lady Prempeh status in music we no or you Okada. Then Okada na ko born and na mubu yeso e. Also Okada be the ko baby and it no ye late for 3 hours. This is a bad management. It means that you know what you are even about. Enti Lady Prempeh oni PA. Oni obia o making sure say ni niam nyina ye we onu kra be ye advanced team. Hey, na musical career be na samo be sa no. Mo ni maduma na mo mra ne enchemo. Because you need to have a PA who makes sure you need to have what we call a makeup artist. And say we need because sika na wo benya no enye nko na obedi sika no. Let me remember why I hate to be. I don't need to be coaching you this. You know this. You was enchemo the band Okada. Me for Okada. Me style, but me for Okada da. Because who Lady Prempeh say even only car. You have friends who have cars. Yet me ko G adafu car at the core program. Because o brand now we build no. I say your brand that who do one ma obi aye machine no. Aye. You need how to make money. Now what do Okada call you no? How do you expect them to what? Even respect you? Okada star on for Okada. Me dem me catch now. Okada even car be or hodma car be potcho be fit ne vet we start now to ma so one mobra opa ko high range na fabra me okay I now them go yi e che say one bobra until Lady Prempeh o management in the joy patcho is either obe add up to it and now say obesua ni am be yi ni amaka nyina no to all sides no both of them omuni majuma omuni majuma we 14 na we for omuni no omuni majuma enti me pa mo chaw samusi may artist management there munsua the rudiments of the job and what comes with it, the duties of a manager. It goes beyond me arranges in your mouth and look your duty. The welfare of the artist is your paramount interest. Until a year late 3 hours no wrong. Most of coordinator no general stage so wrong. Okada wo dey ba wrong. Bibia you wrong. Onti asia kwashepo. I expose you je friend Bembru. But sham na from here. My due too Manuel. Bye bye.